Hi, my name is Mike Garrett, and I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Streamlight's Fire and Industrial team out here on the West Coast. Today I'm going to show you a project that I've been working on here at home and how I can use the portable Streamlight 2 to help me finish this project. As you can see, I put up a new shiplap wall here in my family room, and there's a shadow here towards the top of the wall. I want to make sure that I have the proper paint coverage, so I'm actually going to turn my portable Streamlight 2 on. It's only on level 3, which is 60% of the output, but you'll notice it's eliminated all of the shadows. I can clearly see that all my paint is evenly distributed and I'm ready to be finished up. So for more information on Streamlight's products like the portable Streamlight 2 or anything else, please visit www.streamlight.com. Thank you.